everybody, I'm Miss Laurie, and this is my grandson Grayson. We're from the Ostrander branch of the Delaware County District Library. Today we're going to have our virtual kids cookbook club. Today we're going to be making healthy snacks that you can make at home and eat, and it's something to do and you're learning. Alright, so what's the first thing we have to do before we cook, Grayson? Do you remember? Wash
our hands.
We have to wash our hands. So right now, push the pause button, run wash your hands, and then come back, and we'll be here. Okay, today we're making something that everybody has made before, I think, and if not, you'll learn something new and tasty. Okay, Grayson, what is this? It's celery, and we're going to chop the celery into some pieces. I already have some done. Now, if you're a little kid and you have a plastic knife or a butter knife, this might be a little more challenging, which is why I pre-cut them. But Grayson loves to help, so we'll see what happens. Good job! Okay, Grayson, why don't you put the knife in the peanut butter? Here, I'll do that for you. And remember how hard it was? It's a little hard to spread it on there without it sticking. Do you want to try? Mm-hmm. Okay. Here, I'll help you a little bit. Okay, go ahead and spread it around. See, he's going to spread it on the celery. This is crunchy peanut butter. You can use creamy. It's a little easier to spread. You want to show that to Miss Katie, who's videoing this for us? Good job. Okay, what do you put on it now? We've got raisins. You want to put some raisins on there? Yeah. Okay. He's the only one who's going to be eating those, so him licking his fingers is okay. Okay, go ahead and put that on there. And he'll be washing his hands after. Okay. Do you remember what those are?
Raisins.
Raisins. And do you know why they're on here, what we call this?
Ants on the log.
That's right, ants on a log. That's a good one. Okay, you ready to make the next one? Mm-hmm. All right. Do you want to spread this on here? Mm-hmm. Or do you want to just put it together? Okay, we're going to spread some more peanut butter on a smaller piece, and we're going to make a butterfly. Good job, Grayson. Okay, are you going to put the wings on now? Here, I'll pull those out for you. Can you put the wings on? Mm-hmm. Okay. He's putting wings on the celery. We'll show you after he does it. On each side, and then 2 eyes out of raisins. Oh, you can put the eyes over there where my hand is? Okay. Do you want to lift that up and show it to all the kids? There's his butterfly. Very good, huh? Okay. Grandma's not going to lick her fingers. She's going to wipe her hands. Okay, one more. Do you remember this one? I like to call fish on a flume. We've got some regular cream cheese, and we've added just 1 dot of food coloring because we really don't need that much. All right, Grayson, are you going to do this, or is Grandma? Okay, go ahead and spread this on here. I'll help you a little get it started. Spread it on the celery. Do you like cream cheese, Grayson? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then we get goldfish. I got colored goldfish. And we set them on there. All right, now show all the kids at home. There's fish on a flume.
There's fish on the flume.
Good job. Okay, now the last thing we're going to do is, because these are items and little snacks that you can make on your own, but you don't have to just do what Grayson and I did. You can make up your own. So Grayson, here's some fish, here's some pretzels, raisins. I'd like you to make your own. You can make a person, a dog, whatever you want out of that. Let's see what Grayson makes. We've got stick pretzels too because they make great hands and arms and antenna. What are you making, Grayson?
Trees.
Trees. Oh, trees in the dirt. Okay. Let's see if they'll stand up. If you break them in half, they might stand up better. This morning when we were practicing, he made a person. So it's fun and it's something to do, and the best part is afterwards you get to eat it. There you go. Can you show Miss Katie and all the kids? Oops, that's okay.
Now it's
It's better.
it's a dog.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Thank you for joining us, and join us again next time when we make banana berry boats. Can you wave goodbye?
Bye bye.